What laws do international trade lawyers deal with? Have you ever wondered what it takes to navigate the world of international trade? International trade lawyers play a vital role in ensuring that goods, services, and capital flow smoothly across borders. They specialize in the legal rules and regulations that govern these exchanges. Their work involves understanding a complex framework of both domestic and international laws that regulate trade relationships. At the heart of their practice is the World Trade Organization. This organization establishes the primary legal framework for global trade. International trade lawyers must be well versed in the agreements set forth by the World Trade Organization. These agreements cover important topics such as tariffs, trade barriers, subsidies, and intellectual property rights. They also include mechanisms for resolving disputes that may arise between countries or companies. In addition to World Trade Organization law, international trade lawyers deal with regional trade agreements. For instance, they work with the North American Free Trade Agreement, which has now been replaced by the United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement. They also handle European Union trade regulations and various bilateral or multilateral trade treaties. These agreements often contain provisions on tariff schedules, quotas, customs procedures, and standards for goods and services. On the domestic front, international trade lawyers must navigate national laws that implement international trade commitments. This includes customs laws, export-import regulations, and statutes concerning anti-dumping and countervailing duties. They also advise clients on compliance with laws governing foreign investment and trade sanctions imposed by governments. Dispute resolution is another critical aspect of their work. International trade lawyers engage in processes such as the World Trade Organization, dispute, settlement procedures, and arbitration under trade agreements. They may also representing clients in domestic courts regarding trade issues. Analyzing case law and precedents is essential for advising clients on trade disputes and compliance risks. Students in law school preparing for this career typically study subjects like World Trade Organization law, international business transactions, and trade regulation. They learn to interpret trade agreements and understand the economic and political factors that influence trade. In summary, international trade lawyers deal with a range of laws, including World Trade Organization agreements, regional trade agreements, national customs laws, anti-dumping and countervailing duties, export controls, and trade sanctions. They also engage in international arbitration and litigation related to trade disputes. This combination of international treaties and domestic statutes forms the legal environment that these lawyers navigate to advise governments and multinational corporations in global commerce.